Welcome. This is how to reset parental control password on iPhone. So guys, to do this process, first, you could just simply go ahead and select your settings into your device or just simply go to the settings. Now, right over here, you could just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here screen time. So tap on the screen time option. Now, over here, you can just simply scroll down to the bottom and you will have an option over here, change screen time passcode. So go ahead and tap on that option and you will have an option over here, change screen time passcode. So go ahead and tap on it. Now, over here, you can just simply select Forgot Passcode in order for you to reset it. Now from here, just simply provide your Apple account you provided to reset the screen time passcode and provide your email and pass. Now guys, once you have provided your email and pass, it will automatically let you change your screen time passcode and just simply set it up. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.